morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Oh, it's getting cold here at night. Not winter yet, but yeah, it's getting cold. We actually put the duvet into the duvet cover yesterday. Yeah, it's the transition. Yeah, and we turned the heat on. Actually, Robin turned the heat on, not me. All right, yesterday there was some teamwork happening in this kitchen. First, I did the cheesy bread that I was supposed to do like Friday, Saturday, whatever. But I did it yesterday for lunch. Yes, we had it for lunch. It's really good. You can play with this. Personally, there wasn't enough garlic. Yeah. I'll get the recipe posted. Robin and I tag teamed a recipe for Arrosia Imperial. It's a Latin dish, which I used a blend that I put together for it. I'm spinning it here. Saison Compritia. It's basically a seasonal for Latin, Caribbean, meals. It's very widely distributed in like Mexican stores and Latin stores. On the internet, you can get it. But I like to do my own blends. This was really good. It's Robin kind of described it like a rice lasagna dish. It's layers. Yeah, you build it up like a lasagna, like an Italian lasagna. One of the fun ingredients that actually adds some tang and some creaminess is mayonnaise. Yeah, it's really good. I would definitely be posting up this recipe for you all to try in your kitchens. Tonight, I'm doing fried cabbage with shrimp, sausage, and bacon. I'm not doing the soup this week until later on this week. Much later. So let's get to it. Got some hardware, Dutch oven, and the square baking dish, which means I'm doing brown rice, which means baked brown rice. We have bacon. I didn't use all of the smoked sausage a week or so ago, so this is what I froze this, and this is what's left over. This is a half pound of pink shrimp. These are 40/60s. A little bit of kosher salt and black pepper. I'll be using about half of this onion. I'm using coleslaw mix for the cabbage again. It saves me time and it actually saves me a little bit of money to do it this way. Garlic. And today is garlic day. The empty glass spice jar represents a seafood seasoning, which I announced yesterday. I will be doing that blend today, obviously before I cook. A little bit of olive oil. Just splash of apple cider vinegar. There's some butter in this and some smoked paprika, which I might eliminate because there's going to be some smoked paprika in the seafood seasoning, and optional red chili pepper flakes right there. Of course, the brown rice. It is garlic day, so we got that going on. So that's my Monday. Yeah, so I'm still working on portions of Soup Symphony. As you know, that is my new cookbook that I will be hopefully coming out very soon. It is a collection of my soup recipes. So yeah, busy. All right, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.